I think the best investors, at least in the Indian markets, have been the guys who have actually forgotten their money. पैसा पड़ा रहा है 10 साल तक, and you know, suddenly when they open their folio and they see, oh wow, this has become 6x. So I just had an aunt last week who basically said, Saurabh, I don't remember 2013-14 में तेरे फंड में डाला था, है कि नहीं पैसा? So I asked my customer service to take out her folio and I sent it to her. And it was exactly 11 years, 2014, when she had put it. And the fund has grown exactly 6.5x. And she was so happy. She said that, look, I couldn't have thought about it in this fashion. And it's not even like a mid and small cap fund. It's a normal, my flagship contra fund where she's put in that money. So I think a lot of people who have put in for the long term and when they've forgotten about it, they have made far more money at times than people perhaps who have kept on churning it every 2-3 years. Because then you are only chasing the winners, and you never know that the winner of last year may not be the winner for the future. In that sense, you are chasing winners. You may be changing your financial advisor on a continuous basis. So a new financial advisor comes, he takes you on a different path, and those are, I think, mistakes which perhaps investors are making. But increasingly, I think they are understanding this. So I think the big change from a behavioral perspective, which I'm clearly seeing, is most of the SIP signees the last few years now are coming for the 10-year period or just keep it on perpetually. So that change is coming. आपका एक बड़ा base है पास का, इसलिए ये number, what you were saying is right, but वो भी change हो रहा है, and it's a good change. It's a change for the better. So I think it will play out. I don't have any doubts on that.